So I watched Skincare by Hyram, and my skincare routine is butt cheeks. You guys, I just don't freaking understand. Like I've been watching his TikToks and his YouTube and all of that, and I'm just sitting here like, how am I just now coming across this wonderful human being? Like, I've always known my skincare probably wasn't the best, but dang. Like, yeah. Let me show you. Like, yo, what is this? This is trash. And oh my gosh, let me show you. Let me show you. Hyram. Yo, this, like, I'm pouring it out. I'm pouring it out. I'm pouring it out. I would just throw it away completely, but I know you said to recycle, so look, I'm pouring it out down the drain, and I'm gonna recycle. I don't know how I'm gonna recycle it, but I'm gonna recycle it. But like, trash. This whole time I'm thinking witch hazel is on our side, and they are not. It is not. And then there's this. He's never talked about this, I don't think, or maybe I just didn't, you know, go that far down. But I don't know if he's ever talked about this. Hyram, if you see this, let me know. Like, look this up, see how you feel about it, because I don't know. It's fragrance free. I mean, isn't it just aloe vera? I don't know. Like, I kind of don't want to throw it away. Well, at the same time, it doesn't really matter, because I already have another moisturizing lotion. I already went to the store and bought everything I was going to buy. Well, I had some of it shipped. I've waited probably like a month to record this video because I've been waiting on a lot of my other stuff to ship. But I don't know. Somebody let Hyram know to see how he feels about this, because I don't know. Okay, now it's time for the good stuff. Bam! 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 Oh, goodness. Oh, there you are. Bam! 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 Okay, well, maybe that's a little out of order. Either way, it don't matter. Yeah, I get the picture. Okay, so like I said, this is my first time using these products. Like, I've literally waited to use these. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also have this, but I've been hooked on this, honey. I've been using this to get off my makeup, but right now I'm gonna use it to like get off any dirt that's probably sitting on my face, maybe. So yeah. Okay, just rinse the cleanser off. I don't know about anybody else, but I like to dry my face with a paper towel, because I was watching somebody's YouTube one day and I just heard that a paper towel is the closest thing to clean. So I like to dry my face with a paper towel and I pat dry and boom. Okay, now it's time for the glycolic acid toner. This is the one I'm scared of, honey. All right, y'all. Ooh, I'm scared. Oh gosh, like I'm scared for like how bad it might burn. I know my mama, she had put it like way too close to her eyes. I was like, Mom, that's not what we do. You don't put it that close to your eyes. No, ma'am. My neck. Okay. It's not burning. It's not burning. I think I'm okay. Maybe my mama just used way too much. Like I put like a thin layer on that cotton pad. I think I'm good. Y'all, I promise y'all, I be scared to try new stuff because I am a person who has sensitive skin. So that's why I was using that Clean and Clear for so long, because that was the only thing that didn't like, you know, dry my skin out. And don't get me wrong, that Clean and Clear is not the best, because like I remember Hyram talking about the Clean and Clear Morning Burst and how it was him and another guy I heard talking about it, and they were saying how it was battery acid, and I 100% agree. That stuff is battery acid. It had my skin peeling, and that's how dry it was after using that. I was like, no ma'am, no ma'am. Okay, so Hyram said, don't touch the little the little dropper thingy to your face. So look, Hyram, I'm not, oh God. I'm not letting it touch my face. I thought that was about to fall in my eyes. That's why I reacted that way. But I'm not letting it. And it just fell on my hand. But that's okay. It's okay. I guess this is how I'm supposed to do this. I may have applied too much. That's okay. Take it down to my neck here. That kind of fell on my hand. This is my first time using a serum. I've never used serums before. I've never like known what they were for, if that makes sense. And ever since I started watching Hyram, I'm like, okay, I'm not about to, you know, just buy whatever now. It's crazy how corrupt the world is and how you need to check everything that you use. That is so crazy to me. But okay. Okay, so far I just so y'all know, I don't think I showed y'all what type of serum I had. That serum, yeah. But so far it's fine. I know I probably would have to wait a little longer to see if any real irritation occurs, but as of right now, it's fine. I think I'm good. I think I am good. And now we're on to the moisturizers. Not scared of those. Thank God. Okay. One thing I will say is I want to go back and get the niacinamide and zinc one. I want to get that one too. But that one is the main one that's always sold out. So, oh well, but I'm going to get it. And this is the eye repair cream. My mom was like, why didn't you get me any eye repair cream? I need it more than you do. And I'm like, okay, I understand that. And she was like, you're young, so what are you using eye repair cream for? And I was like, Mom, to prevent, Mom. The point is to prevent. You know why? Am I doing it right? Up here? Yeah. And don't I take it up here? Oh no, if I do that. Alright. I know they say eye creams don't really do much. I put on a really small amount. I don't think I'm supposed to put on a lot. But I put on a really small amount. Okay. Got that. I'm just like, I really need to start taking life more seriously. Okay, and now we have the daily moisturizing lotion. I also have the SPF, but of course that's for during the day. I want to get their actual sunscreen because I remember Hyram saying something about using moisturizing lotion with sunscreen. Is not enough sunscreen in there or something like that. But I didn't watch that video until after I had bought that, so we just gonna work with that for now. And then I'll, you know, I was gonna say these take a couple pumps. All right. Oh, got some on my eyelash. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. I think the only thing I'm probably not that gentle with is applying the like when I'm washing my face, I'd be like this. I don't think I was that gentle with that. But that's okay. Okay. I think we're good. I think we are good. My face feels nice. It does. But as of right now, I think I'm good. Now it's probably about 3, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to go make some cookies. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you want more skincare videos like this, just let me know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment below, hit that like button. It costs you nothing to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.